Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now click open. And here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click sign in later. Here you can set up your data and sharing preference. You have to click confirm. And now you can set your Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, or you can click not now. And here it asks you about your notification settings. You can just click no thanks. And now you can use your Microsoft Edge as your regular internet browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.